Welcome to JH. I recently gave the micro-ingredients liver detox a shot, and the first thing that struck me was how easily it slid into my daily routine. The powder mixes smoothly with water or juice and doesn't have that typical industrial waste flavor we've come to expect from health supplements. Because let's be honest, if it doesn't make you gag, it's already a win. After taking it consistently, I started feeling lighter and more energized, as if my internal system finally decided to upgrade from a dial-up connection to high-speed fiber. The bloating and sluggishness vanished, making a massive difference in how I dragged myself through the day. Another plus is how it supports digestion in a surprisingly gentle way, sparing me from any sudden, frantic sprints to the nearest restroom. I also appreciated that the formula is clean and free of those unnecessary additives that usually require a PhD to decipher on the label. It felt like a pure supplement actually doing what it's supposed to do, which is a rare find in a world full of magic snake oil. Over time, I felt more balanced and refreshed, proving it was genuinely supporting my overall resilience. Ultimately, this liver detox is a solid natural option for anyone who wants to keep their body running at its best without it staging a full-blown mutiny.